Hi guys, and welcome to the bonus page for VibeTraffic. I know there's lots and lots of people excited about this and excited about the bonus. Now this is a little bit different to what I normally promote. Normally I promote software products. This is a live training event with two of my very good friends, Neil Napier and Chris Munch. Now the live training is happening on the 14th of December. So you have until midnight on the 13th to claim my bonus, or within the first 50 buyers. Because once we hit 50 buyers, we will be closing this down. Now, this is an unbeatable bonus. It really is. It's something that gives you a fully done for you product ready to go, and it's under $30. Now, I'm going to talk about VibeTraffic in a moment, but obviously with this being a live training, it's nothing really for me to review, so I can't give you a look inside or anything like that, because there's nothing there till the live training happens. But I'll walk you through what's, the live training's about and everything else. I'll also walk you through the funnel. So first, let me show you my bonuses, and I'll show you why this is unbeatable. Now first we have the software store. I'm going to show you the software store in a moment, but this is a fully done for you product. Goes on your own hosting, and you will be able to sell up to 20 software apps and pass on the resale rights to those 20 apps as well. Choose your own prices, it's got full membership built in there as well, which I'll show you in a moment. But you get the software store, fully designed, ready to go, and everything's done. It's all hosted for you on our servers or yours. We're going to even do the setup. Now, as I said, each app in the store comes with full reseller rights, and each app includes sales page, source code, and marketing pack as well. Now, I said you can have up to 20 apps in there ready to sell. Now, if you want the full 20 apps, all you need to do is purchase anything in the funnel. For the front end purchase, you get the 10 apps. Now, if you want the extra 10, so full 20, you need to purchase anything in the funnel. I'll show you what's in the funnel in a moment. So you get 20 full apps, and each app comes with resellers. You get sales page, full source code, and marketing pack as well. Now, we'll also do the software store install for you. So you decide on a name, a domain name, whatever you want to brand it to. We will brand everything to your domain name. We'll do the full installation for you. We will install it on our hosting or your hosting. It's up to you, whichever one you want. It's all delivered, ready to sell. Now, please remember, every bonus that I'm showing you is available for the front-end purchase. The only bonus that you need to purchase any kind of upgrades or anything like that to get is this one here. There's no bundles, there's no full kind of the whole package or anything like that. You've got to purchase through the funnel. Now the next one we have for you is the software store marketing platform. Now inside the software store we have a full marketing platform built in, which is a full page builder. You've got automated marketing workflows, you've got built-in lead gen. Get everything in there. You can create funnels, automation, lead generation, tracking. Everything's done. And when we install the software store, that will be installed as well. And we've got the software store membership platform. So this protects the software store. So it has everything included. It's can deliver, protect your products. It connects it with Stripe, PayPal. You can connect Warrior Plus up in there. You can set different levels. Everything is included. And that to purchase by itself is $197. So if you want to do that, get it installed, get it set up, it'd be $197. But that's part of this bonus. Now here are the apps that's included. It's just, you can look through all these. So you can see some nice apps. They'll sell great for MMO, digital marketing, things like that. Okay, so you can see all the apps there. So 20 full apps there, and you've got personal rights as well, so you can use them all yourself. Plus you get to sell them within the done for you software store. get my words out. Then we've also got micro offer machine. Now this creates micro offers, ready to sell. Be a great thing to go with the software store as well. So you could create micro offers and upsell the software store. Then we've got AI Collective. This is 20 plus AI tools. Real-time web chat. You've got AI article wizard, text to speech, video and audio tools. As you can see, it's a full suite there, all based around AI. It includes 100,000 credits, and that's on the front end. Everything I'm showing you here, except for that one bonus, is for the front end. We've also got the AI Collective lead. So with that, you get the ebook, done for you lead pages, e-covers, and everything you need. Then we get AI Collective marketing. So that's a full swipe campaign, social media campaign. And then we've got the reseller version as well. So you can resell this as your own as well. Okay. So this bonus is huge. It's not going to be beat. So you can check around if you want, but I can guarantee you no one will have a better bonus for this, for the front end product. Now, as I said, the only product that's part of the upsell is this one right up back up here. Let's go back up here. It's this one. The only thing that you need to buy is something in the funnel to unlock this. Okay. So, as I said, this is part of VibeTraffic. Now, let me show you what's involved in the funnel. So you get 3-day live training. So it starts on the 14th of December. Two very good friends of mine, Neil Napier, Chris Munch, are going to be running this. So, these guys know what they're doing. So day 1, all AI foundation and vibe coding fundamentals. Day 2, traffic tools creation and automation workflow. Day 3, advanced traffic systems and traffic scaling strategies. So that's the 3-day live training. Plus you get all these extras, 24-hour replay access, private Facebook community, session transcripts, AMA, so that's Ask Me Anything sessions, extra seat for your partner or spouse, complete implementation guides, and VibePig, which is an AI traffic assistant. So that's all on the front end. It's all under $27. But the moment this goes live, the price starts going up. So please, if you want this, be quick. And remember, we've only got 50 bonuses. Now, the first upsell is VibeTraffic VIP. That's $97. They have a split payment on that as well. So you've got, these are the VIP benefits. You've got VIP Q&A, extended 30-day replay access, elite implementation workbook, one-on-one onboarding call with VibeTraffic specialist, 30 days of expert guidance in VIP community. And then you've got the bonus AI tool suite, which is 2 expert advice chatbots, sales page writer, email campaign writer, SEO AI processors, and Facebook ad writers. Then the next upsell is the VibeTraffic Inner Circle, which is $197. Again, they've got split payment options on that. So you've got lifetime access to all training recordings, elite status in exclusive community. So VibeTraffic as a service, you've got complete business package, which is introduction training, done for you client proposals, done for you email swipes, done for you with sales scripts, done for you business cards, done for you rate cards, letterheads, invoices, client contracts. Then you've got the AI Domination Academy, which is all part of this. So you've got AI copy domination, AI social domination, AI repurpose domination, AI local domination, AI course domination, AI webinar domination, and AI offer domination. So that's all the upsells, just 2 upsells, one at 97 with split payment, one at 197 with split payment as well. So to get those extra 10 apps, all you need to do is either purchase OTO1 or OTO2 and can be on a split payment as well. Okay, but remember, VibeTraffic, once it launches, the price starts going up. So please, if you want this for the cheapest possible price, make sure that you act quickly. Also, we only have 50 spots. Once those have gone, we are closing down. Now let me jump across to the software store. So this is what you'll get. It'll be rebranded to you. So everything's included. you know, you get the sales page, you get all the kind of individual sales pages as well, as I'll show you now. So this will be Script Spark, and everything's done, all ready to go with all your buttons, your images, your guarantees in there. You've got all delivery set up, you've got the membership system set up, you've also got the marketing system inside as well. So we'll give this back to you, rebranded to you, all ready to go. You know, whatever name you want to call this, we'll rebrand it, we'll host it, we'll set it up, we'll give you videos how to use it, how to edit it, and everything else, and you'll get this fully done for you. Okay, so remember, you've got your own software store fully ready to go for under $30. Now if you buy that up, so you get that extra 10 apps as well. So you've got 20 apps on there. So 20 apps all ready to sell. You can sell them individually, you can sell them as, you know, a bulk payment if you want, like as a bundle. You've got full resale rights as well, so you can pass on resale rights to your clients, which I'll just scroll down here. It's already built into the sales page here. So you can offer resale rights to your clients, and that's really, really valuable. Okay, so remember, this is probably the best bonus that we've ever done for under $30. So make sure that you lock it in, get on that live train, because that is going to be, you know, really interesting for 2026, and lock in the best bonus for VibeTraffic. So thanks for watching, and watch out for the next video.